Makiaria thutha wa mucemanio na gavana wa kaunti ya Meru Kiraito Murungi. Kamiti ya hamwe na iria tanyitwo kurutithia wira riboti ya uria urimi wa miro ngigacirithio kaunti-ini iyo ni hiukite gutianiria muhuhu ati mbeca iria ciaheanirwo ni President Kenyatta ni ihuthiritwo na njira iria itagiriire, undu uria wikiritwo mukonde ni gavana Kiraito Murungi.
We want to tell the Meru people that the budget allocation which has been given for Miraa development is intact. I want to repeat and say is fully intact.
There has been a lot of speculation and rumor that money has been spent, but as a governor of Meru, we are working with the Mheshimiwa Mwangi Kiunjuri, the Minister for Agriculture, to spend the money to buy avocado.
Kamiti ino neria yubitwo ni amemba 12 kuma icigo ithano cia ubunge iria ikuragio Miraa kaunti-ini ino itanyitwo guthundura na kurugamirira uhuthiri wa muigana wa ciringi bilioni 1 iria ciaheanirwo na mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta. Mwena wake gavana Kiraito athingatite kamiti ino kung'ethanira na mathina ma Miraa hatari guoya, undu umwe na guthundura njira ingi cia kugacirithia thoko ya Miraa niguo gutigirira arimi kaunti-ini ino ni mateithika.
The county government of Meru has not spent even a single cent of that money because it is not in their vote. You know, when the government wants the county government to spend money, it is sent directly to the governor. He has a vote, he has various votes. But this money meant for Miraa development was sent directly to the Ministry of Agriculture.
You can tell them what you intend to do with the money, because that money should be spent the way the task force recommended and by your implementation committee. Nobody else has authority to spend that money.
Girifotera Kameme TV, Jitagomora, Wagunya.